This is nursery life. मेहनत करना पड़ता है भाई. Without struggle and hard work, there is no money and there is no success. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new vlog. So today is day 7 of my 30-day consistent vlogging challenge. So currently it is 10 am and I have just arrived at our Darunte nursery. So today is my Japanese language lecture. So at morning at home I have done my kanji practice and now I am focusing on my vocabulary and grammar pattern study. So stay with me as I share my balancing nursery life and my Japanese language learning. Guys, I'm doing my study, but customer is there, so I need to get up. See, customer is there outside. So they need rose plant. They were seeing that plant. So I said at backside also there is rose plant. So they are seeing there. Let's see which plant they purchase. So guys, that customer has purchased yellow rose plant. Whenever I am doing study and some customer is there in nursery, so I need to get up from my study and I need to show them plants. I need to guide them regarding plants and which plant is best for them. This is nursery life. I also get money, so I need to do this work. And it's my favorite work and gardening is my hobby. मेहनत करना पड़ता है भाई. Without struggle and hard work, there is no money and there is no success. So let's start our study again. My grammar pattern is finished. Now I am going to start with vocabularies. See, this is my study setup. I am doing study here. There are lots of mosquitoes and they are biting my foots. So I have just covered my foots with my jacket. See, like this. If I keep my foots down, then lot of mosquitoes bite me. As it is nursery here, so there is a humidity everywhere and lot of mosquitoes are there. So I need to cover my feet like this, see, so that mosquitoes won't bite. My grammar pattern is finished. See, I have written them in notebook. You can see. I also written in Marathi meaning, so it is very easy for me to understand. Now I am going to start with vocabularies. So guys, my study for today's Japanese lecture is over, finished. Now let's see some work. I have revised grammar patterns, kanji and vocabularies. So now let's see some work in our nursery. Oh, before that I need to close the gate of my storeroom. Now let's do some work. These are some Exora plants which I have planted yesterday in this nursery poly bag. White color and red color Exora. I want to take all these plants at home for decoration purpose to keep alongside our home's road. So see, this is planting section of our nursery. Here whatever plants to be planted are kept, and this is the soil mix. The cow dog fertilizer is there. Coco peat is also here to add in soil. Super phosphate and fungicide to mix in soil, and this is all soil kept here. So guys, now I am going to transplant all this plant into the big nursery poly bag. See this one is a flowering plant. Most of them are flowering plants, and this is the only leaves are there. This is show plant. So all this plant I am going to transplant in big nursery poly bag, such type of nursery poly bag. I want to take all those plants at my home to keep alongside the road of our home for decoration purpose. So let's see how I do this work. First of all, I will prepare the soil mix for the planting all the plants. I will take cow dung, fungicide and super phosphate and our black cotton soil and black soil. I will prepare I will prepare the soil and then we will plant. I have added the cow dung fertilizer and soil. Now I am going to add super phosphate and fungicide in the soil. So I have prepared soil mix for all my plants. I have taken cow dung fertilizer, super phosphate and fungicide. So now I will plant all the saplings in big nursery poly bag. So guys, I have prepared soil mix and I am going to plant all these saplings and plants in big size nursery poly bag. You can see here various type of flowering plants are there. I will show you one by one. So this one is Desi variety rose plant. It smells very well. Wonderful. Wow. The smell of this flower is very wonderful. This one is button rose plant. Too many flowers are there continuous throughout the 12 months. This one is yellow ticoma. This one is Kaudi flower plant. Such type of red and pink flowers are there. And this one is almanda. You might have seen before in my videos. This all flowering plants. This one is also yellow ticoma. This all flowering plants I am going to plant in such big size nursery polybags. This one. So they will grow very properly and will flower continuously throughout the year. Yes. So the first thing we will do is that we will remove all the weeds which is grown here. We will clean all these plants and then we will start our plantation. See, I have cleaned this plant and now it is ready for the plantation. Then I will remove this pot and will plant in big size nursery polybag. Like this, I will clean all the weeds from this plant. See guys, I have removed all the weeds and the pot from this plant, so it is now ready to plant. I am also removing some amount of soil from this soil bound. So root bound will not be there. I will move some amount of roots from this, so new root development will be fast. So I just want to show you that if you are planting and want to remove some plant from this type of pots, then what you need to do is just take any heavy object and just hit this pot like this. See, then it can easily be removed like this, and the roots are also not destroyed. Now if after removing this plant from this pot, what you need to do is just remove some amount of soil from this soil box. So it is beneficial for the roots for the new development. See guys, I have filled this nursery poly bag till half depth with soil and now planting this flower plant in this bag. For this, need to remove some amount of soil from this like this. You should keep in mind that the big root, this is the main root, this should not get destroyed. If it is, if the small root get destroyed, then no problem. But this big root should not get destroyed. Like this, place the plant in center of the poly bag. And afterwards, fill the soil. I should move the polybag like this so that the soil settles well. See, now this is ready. You should keep in mind that you should not fill the soil till the top of the polybag. You should keep this amount of space so that the water can accumulate and it can drain through this. Soil. So see, this plant is now ready. We will give water to this after the plantation of all these 8 plants. Now one by one I will plant all these plants in such nursery polybag. And the soil which I have prepared, that got finished just in 3 bags. As you can see, this is 50 kg bag. The weight of each bag is 50 kg and the soil is finished just in 3 bags. So I need to prepare more soil for the plantation of these remaining plants. So now I will prepare more soil and plant all the remaining plants. Guys, I have planted the 4 plants. Now I want to take this all plant at the front side of the nursery. So I am taking this with the help of this container. I will keep this plant in this container. One time I can take only the 2 bags because that bag is too heavy. 1 bag is of 50 kg, means 2 bags will be of 100 kgs. So I need to be careful for that. So I will take with the help of this container those plants at front of the nursery. It is too heavy. So guys, I have bought these two plants at the front side of the nursery. Now I'll keep this plant and we'll keep in this line. Now let's bring the remaining plants. It's too sunny today. I'm sweating, but need to do work. Now we will take that two remaining plant to the front side. Guys, the rain has started. I need to stop my work now. I need to go in storeroom because it's raining now. So guys, the rain has stopped and let's go back to the work. I have taken this super phosphate fertilizer because the one which was I was having there got finished. So now let's start our work again. So friends, plantation of 8 plants is finished and it's already 2:45 p.m. now. My lecture is there at 3 p.m. So I need to stop my work. I need to revise my Japanese. I need to get ready for the lecture. See, these are all the these are all the 6, 7, 8 plants which I have planted. This one, this almond is there, all the flowering plants. So let's get ready for the lecture. So friends, lecture is finished now and it is time to have lunch. This is my lunch box: chapati, pickles, mango pickles, and potato. So now I'm going to have lunch. This is how I do lunch in nursery. On this I keep all this my utensils, my dish, and I have lunch. Now let's have lunch. Most of the time I used to sit down and do lunch, but as it is rainy season now, so the soil below is too much wet, so I need to sit on these chairs. I need to do lunch. So I'll do my lunch now. Let's start vlog after finishing my lunch. Bye bye. So hey friends, I have done my lunch and now it's time to clean this lunch box and dish. So I have came here. There is one pot in nursery in which we store water and we use this water for cleaning the tiffin, and if in any case any of the plant need water, so we also use this for watering the plants. So I will clean my lunch box and dish here. See, my lunch box and dish I have cleaned. Now let's go to work again. Now let's start some work here in nursery. Hey guys, it's 5:30 p.m. now and it's too much sunny today. So I need to start the motor for watering the plants. You can see the flowers and the plants are getting dried because the climate is too much hot today and I need to give water to the plants, sprinkle water. Also I need to give water to these new plants which I have planted. So let's start the motor. So here is the starter of our motor. It's not working here. See, nursery is there and I need to come from there to here by my Activa. The motor is started and I need to go to nursery now. I need to sprinkle the water to the plants. So friends, the motor is started now and I'm watering the plants. Oh, what happened? Shit, yeah, light is gone. Shit. Now I need to go again there and start the motor and come again here and water the plants. It's too boring, yaar. So friends, I was planning to give water to the plants, but since there is no electricity, I can't start the motor. So I will give water to the plants tomorrow. Friends, electricity has come and now I'll go to start the motor and we'll plant and we'll water the plants which I have planted today. So I have started the motor after complete 7 to 8 days because it was continuously raining here, so there was no need to start the motor and to give water to the plants. Rainwater was sufficient for the plant. So after 8 days I have started the motor and now I am giving water to the plants. You can see. While giving water to the plants, I always prefer using this shower. With the help of shower only I give water to the plants, because if I didn't use the shower and directly give water through this pipe, then the pressure is too much and it causes damage to the plants. That's why I always use shower while giving water to the plants. It is beneficial to use the shower. Now I am watering the plants which I have planted today and yesterday. See, these plants I have planted today and these Exora plants I have planted yesterday. So I am going to give them water now. I am watering them now. You can see. As soon as I remove the sprinkler from the back, the water gets drained. See, all water got drained down. So whenever you are first time watering to the plants which is just repotted, you should completely give water to that plant. You should let the water get drain out so that it will survive well. So guys, I have water to the plant to whom which was very necessary to give water. Now the remaining plants I will water tomorrow because it's 6:30 p.m. I need to go home. So this was a short vlog in English. So let's meet tomorrow in Japanese vlog. Bye bye.